Hi, my name is Omar. So we saw the theme and it had the word blue and black and yellow with the colors in there. And what we thought about when we brainstormed was the idea of caution with the black and the yellow. And caution, and we also saw prison systems. And inside the prison system, we saw a yellow light, which is kind of dull and depressing. And outside the prison was the blue sky and the happiness that comes with that. And so we thought about a service which would take prisoners from the depressive sort of environment to a happy environment where they got the skills and they can reintroduce themselves back into the society.
So we came up with Project Sunrise. The purpose behind this project is to connect prisoners with mentors who would help teach the prisoners the skills they need to get a job once they're out back in society and stay out of prison. It's a big program, but this weekend we focused on one small important part of that: recruiting and signing up mentors to be part of the program.
Hi, I'm Trenee, and we went through a number of processes in order to develop our Project Sunrise, including a persona. Our ideal user is Gary, and Gary wants to help prisoners take the next step. Some of his goals include telling his story, giving back, stopping mistakes, and his motivations are helping ex-convicts, helping the next generation, and Gary also wants closure for his former prison past.
And after talking to people on the streets, after thinking more deeply about what Gary needs and the flow, we started developing another version of the paper prototype to further refine our ideas and the user flow. After developing our first paper prototype, we hit the streets. We started gathering more information to further our idea of who Gary is and what he needs. We developed a customer journey map. We developed a storyboard outlining the process by which Gary would use our application system. We put together an empathy map to understand deeper why he wants to do this type of work to begin with. We even outlined, put together a business canvas model to show how we're going to get such a big program off the ground and keep it working.
So this is a final high fidelity prototype, and this is our Project Sunrise. So we choose the colors yellow and blue, and we show a transition here to show the movement from yellow to blue, which shows like depression to rebirth. And we put a small content here to explain about the project, and when the mentor comes in, he can see a small video which motivates him to become a mentor, as well as he can understand the process behind it. So then he can go to the sign up screen where he can put all his informations, and he can create his bio also by connecting to LinkedIn or uploading his resume in Word or PDF format. And for better verification and introduction, he can take a selfie video where he can talk about his skills, why he want to become a mentor, and his passion towards this thing. And then he can choose his skill. Here Gary choose art as his skill, and he moves forward and he choose his time slot for the week and for the month where he's available to take the classes. And finally he will get a cool profile which he can use for his professional things. So here we use Sketch as the tool for designing the interface, and we use InVision for prototype. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Daniel.
Hi, I'm Trenee.
I'm Melvin.
Hey, I'm Omar.
We
And we are
Saturn 4.